Bah, 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 bah. Guess who's back? Back again. What time is it? Oh God. Back again. Guess who's back? 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 Damn, I gotta freaking hurry up. Time is flying by, bro. What's going on? Oh, this light be taking forever too. Man, my car really been off for like a couple freaking days now, bro. A little cold still. Let me text A man, tell him I'm here. Oh my God. Gotta go drop this off real quick. Then head to the gymnasium. Go make some gains, man. Favorite part of the day, gym and driving my car. You guys already know that. You guys already know that. 1 minute away. I need that pre-workout ASAP Rocky, bro, before I pass out. I don't know, I be mad tired. Not tired, like, I don't even know. I just be sleepy, bro. Like, I don't know. I don't even know if I be, I don't know what I'm saying, bro. I just be, I don't know. Huh? All right. Let's get to the, so this way. I hate when it doesn't show on my thing. Where's my phone at? Oh, I thought I left my phone again. Not gonna lie, bro. I really love this car, right? What is that noise behind me, though? There's something back there. I don't know what that is. Who's that behind me in that car? I can't see cars coming, though. That car behind me, he out, he won it. Let's see, maybe if he gets on the highway with us, man, we'll be out. But I don't know. But he definitely looked like he wanted to smoke. It's like I don't really, I forgot the name of that brand. Is it Cadillac? It's like the some Cadillac thing. I don't know the car, bro. I can't really show you either because I can't even see it myself, really. Ooh, that sounded crazy. Letting all his anger out because it's been a while since I've driven it. Let me slow down because I know there's cameras over here. Just put it in sport. I think the car's pretty warm now. Oh, I'm not waiting for that light. Driver manual. Yep. QueenLawnstone.com. QueenLawnstone. Am I even saying that right?
I don't know.
I don't even know. Oh wait, let me go on this lane, bro, because there's nobody here. Oh wait. Maybe if I get on this lane, I could probably skip a couple people, huh? Let's try that. Yep. It picks up very nice, smile. Maybe put on my back windows though. They're a little freaking wind. Got the highway here. I feel like I haven't driven my car in sport in like ages, bro. For real. People be tight. God, it's so fun just driving this car, bro. This BMW is just, I don't know, man. The GOAT! It is the GOAT! So 330 in front of us or M340? I think it's a 330 though. Most likely. Let's see, yeah, 330,000, that's what it is. So some old dude. Tell you what, this car definitely needs an alignment though. Bumpy roads, not cool. If it was smooth everywhere, bro, you know how much fun we would have in New York, bro? What is this guy doing? He lost. Get this guy a map. What the heck is that noise? So you know I haven't put my back windows down in a long ass time. Oof, cause they're making weird noise. Hold on. My car's just dirty, bro, that's all. It just needs a little wash. Sounds so good, man. Get yourself a 440,000, man. All right. Once you get a 440,000, then you can be my friend. Nah, I'm just kidding. Y'all still my friends. Y'all the only friends I have, bro. I have no friends. I mean, I have some friends, but like, I don't really see them that much at all, really. My best friend, he don't even live in New York, bro. That's the craziest part. And I have some other friends, but they live in their own life and stuff. We see each other sometimes, but not like that, bro. Most of the time, I'm solo dolo. I spend more time with Chad than I spend with everybody else, bro. Pow! Bap, 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 bap. Bap, 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 bap. I know people be so annoyed, especially when you're like in a garage and you're making mad noise. People be annoyed for real. For a fact. It's alright though. They'll get over it. Damn, I see a lot of people with tickets in this garage, man. I see a lot of orange slips being given out. This is how you hide from them. You go all the way to the top, because I doubt any of them really want to go up that high, and then you don't get a ticket. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Be smarter. Man, we here, though. What the heck?
What happened?
I just had a dream that I was driving in my car. It was the weirdest dream. It felt so real though.
Just go back to sleep.
Alright, I'm just gonna go back to sleep.